Hey there, welcome back. So that was our role play exercise where we played the role of a product manager and did product management in action. Hope you found this useful. The idea of this exercise is to encapsulate all aspects of product management, explain you about some key concepts and frameworks, and elaborate on how to put it to practice. My advice here would be to go through this exercise again and again and reflect upon this. This will help in mastering the necessary hard skills required for a product manager. Now, note that the role play had some constraints and we easily navigated through a few assumptions. What we discussed here are the hard skills, the technical and functional skills of the product managers. But in real life, the operational aspect of the product manager's role is more challenging, especially when it comes to working with different teams, multiple stakeholders, where each of them have their own goals and self interests. In our next section, we will discuss about that.